Today I am reviewing the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for one of the most advanced and hands-free cleaning systems available today, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop is built to deliver serious performance with minimal effort from you. Starting with power, this robot vacuum features an impressive 25,000 Pascal suction, which places it among the strongest in its category. This level of suction allows it to effectively pick up everything from fine dust to larger debris on both hard floors and carpets. Whether you're dealing with daily dust, crumbs, or pet hair, it handles it all without hesitation. The ability to adjust between multiple suction levels also means you can fine-tune performance depending on your cleaning needs, which helps balance power and efficiency. What really sets this robot apart is how it handles mopping and hard-to-reach areas. The extendable side brush and mop are designed to reach corners, edges, and spaces under furniture that most robot vacuums simply can't clean properly. This means fewer missed spots and a more complete clean across your entire home. It's especially useful along baseboards and tight corners, where dust and dirt tend to accumulate over time. The cleaning performance is further enhanced by its intelligent navigation system. Using Smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt technology, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 maps your home with precision and avoids obstacles such as shoes, cables, and furniture. This reduces the chances of it getting stuck and ensures efficient cleaning routes. The result is a robot that not only cleans thoroughly but also operates intelligently, saving time and avoiding frustration. One of the biggest advantages of this model is the all-in-one self-cleaning dock. This dock handles multiple maintenance tasks automatically, including emptying the dust bin and cleaning the mop. This drastically reduces the need for manual upkeep. Instead of constantly washing mop pads or emptying debris, you can rely on the dock to keep everything running smoothly in the background. It's a true hands-off experience, especially for busy households. When it comes to carpets, this robot offers several smart cleaning modes. It can automatically detect carpeted areas and adjust its behavior accordingly. For example, it can boost suction for deeper cleaning, avoid carpets when mopping, or even lift the mop to prevent wetting rugs. These features help protect your carpets while still ensuring they get a thorough clean. Battery life is another strong point. With up to 231 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, this robot can cover large spaces, up to 1,679 square feet, on a single charge. The 5,200 milliamp hours battery not only provides long cleaning sessions, but also supports faster charging, making it more efficient overall. Additionally, the option for off-peak charging can help reduce electricity costs over time, which is a nice bonus for long-term use. For pet owners, this robot vacuum is especially useful. It can help maintain cleaner pet zones with minimal effort, reducing allergens and keeping your home healthier. The strong suction combined with intelligent navigation ensures pet hair doesn't build up on floors or carpets, making daily maintenance much easier. Control and convenience are also top tier. You can manage the robot through a mobile app or use voice commands with Alexa, Siri, or Google Home. This allows you to start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions without needing to manually interact with the device. Just a simple voice command or a tap on your phone, and the cleaning begins. There's also an optional auto detergent dispenser, which can be added separately. When enabled through the app, it automatically dispenses cleaning solution during mopping, adding an extra layer of convenience and cleaning effectiveness. While it's not included by default, it enhances the overall system for those who want a more premium experience. Overall, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is a high-end, intelligent cleaning solution designed for people who want maximum convenience without sacrificing performance. It combines powerful suction, advanced mopping, smart navigation, and a highly automated dock system into one complete package. If you're looking to reduce your cleaning workload and upgrade to a truly smart home cleaning system, this is one of the most capable and feature-rich robot vacuums you can get today.